Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the dictionary looping. As we have been talking in the last two videos, there are several ways of dictionary looping. We have gone through looping through the all key value pairs, and then we have gone through the looping through the keys, and the other one with the sorted using the key. And this is the last video. After that, we are going to talk about the looping through all value. Here, as you know, the dictionary is nothing but it is a collection of the key value pairs. So the one thing here we are going to use is we are going to use two methods which are used popular. One is the value methods, and then there is the set method, because the values can be duplicate values when it comes to the dictionary, apart from the keys, because the keys are unique. There is a default method to return the list of the keys, list of the values without any keys used, so we don't worry about keys used like K1, K2, K3 and K4 on the dictionary. So say for example, this is a for loop, and over the dictionary, because the favorite car is the name of the dictionary over here, you can use any names. We use the values method to loop, and then the for statement pulls each value from the dictionary and assign it to the variable car. So that variable car, we can also use any variable name, so don't get confused. So car.title, as we have already talked, the title is the method, like the .upper, .lower, to print that in either the lowercase or the uppercase or the title case, whatever the values we face from the dictionary. So this pulls all dictionary values without checking repeats. So here is the main thing, because the values, as I said, the dictionary values can be repeated. That means you may have duplicate values on the key value pairs. So we will see the exact example. That means it is fine with the small values, but when there is that may result in a repetitive list for a large number, that means there may be duplicate values. So we want to avoid that duplicate values. We just put the set around. If you remember, we just put the sorted around over the keys method whenever we are looping the values through all keys. So here we will just put the set method that will return a set of unique items from the dictionary looping. So you can see it's so simple. It is wrapped with the set methods of dictionary.values method. I hope you understand from this part, and we will quickly go and see the code implementation that will help you to understand more better. Okay, the code is here. It is pretty simple. It's the same code that I have been using in the last videos. Yeah, if you can relate it, that's very good. And if you have watched the last video regarding the dictionary looping through all the keys and through the keys in order, you already know that we have used the keys method and we have used the sorted method. The only difference over here is, instead of the Visual Studio, the VS Code, I have used the Google Colab, and we have used the dictionary looping. Same, we have defined the keys, and the only difference is here I have used a different list, the cars too. So you can see that is the same list. We have a list of 4 pairs, the name of the person with their favorite cars, and over here in the cars too, we have also the same thing, but I have added one more pair at the end, the Elise as a BMW, so that I have intentionally duplicated the values. You can see the Dan in our third pair has also the favorite car as BMW, and Elise also has the favorite car as BMW. So just to see that the difference, and we applied the loop, we printed the name and the car that is the same. So, and inside the main, I have called the loops key values. That is a function called for third. So let me run this and quickly see the output. You can see we get those all 5 values, but the only difference is that, because as I said, the values can be repeated. That means we may get the duplicate value. To avoid that, so because you may have a long list, or maybe a list of 50 items, or list of 50 or 500 key value pairs. So at that time, so we use the set methods. So for that purpose only, so I use that for loop and comment over that and just save the code, and then we again run that with the help of the set methods, as we have said in our PPT, and everything else is same. So now you will get only the unique items or the unique values of the list, although there are 5 pairs. So that's why I made these cars too, and that returns a set of unique items. As you see, the BMW is not repeated now because of the set method. I hope you understand. Again, to repeat, we use the items method in the first one. The second one, we use keys method, sorted method, and this is the last video we use the values method and the set. I hope that helps, and thank you for watching.